Hello sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Capricorn. This is your quick energy check. So, remember, this is for your guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share. Dahil gamit natin ngayon si The Guardian of the Night Tarot. So, ano bang message sa'yo, Capricorn? So, energy check mo, we have here the Emperor. Alam mo, this has the energy of Aries, or the energy of the first house. It's about the house of self. It's also governed by Mars, which is yun yung raw energy. Dude, Emperor, hindi ba pwedeng do the trailblaze na step up na? Meron, kumbaga, ito na yung moment that yun, kailangan mong mag-take lead. Kailangan mo na simulan or andoon na ikaw na yung magbukas ng daan para sa iba. Kasi, sabihin lang natin na maraming silang takot. But you, meron ka na tiyatang na calculated decisions. Alam mo na yung mga dapat iwasan, kailangan gawin, sila dapat kadikit, at sila mga dapat layuan, ano yung may idea ka na eh. Gamitin mo na yon. Put those knowledge into practice. Now, andoon din na, huwag ka matakot, talagang may mga tao talagang magagalit sa'yo kapag pinursu mo yung capacity mo at in-expand mo yung sarili mo. Kaya mo sila mainggit. At the end of the day, sila nainggit, ikaw, tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin sa pag-expand ng sarili mo. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. That is for your guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you sa ating next video. Bye!